Hello kids, today I'm gonna share with you counting 1 to 20. Firstly, we should to know colors name. This is colors. This is red color and this is white color. This is yellow color. And here this is black color and this is blue color. And lastly, the color is green. Take it outside. Green color, yellow color, red color, black color, and lastly white color. We have many colors of brush. Here these are colors. Firstly, we should to know the colors name. These are colors. This is the brush colors. Brush pen color, brush pen. These are the color. These are color. This is green color, red color, yellow color, pink color, purple color, silver color, light green color, blue color, green color, brown color, black color and aqua color. Let's start the video. Purple color, one. Light green color, two. Blue color, three. Light pink color, four. Green color, five. Red color, six. Silver color, seven. Pink color, eight. Yellow color, nine. Brown color, 10. Black color, 11. Aqua color, 12. Red color, 13. Brown color, 14. Light pink color, 15. Green color, 16. Yellow color, 17. Pink color, 18. Black color, 19. Blue color, 20. Again we should to learn the colors name. Here are these colors. Let's learn the color name. Green color, light pink color, black color, aqua color, light green color, purple color, red color, yellow color, brown color, blue color, silver color. Let's close the video. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos.